anyone has seen me do demonstrations in here before, you know I really don't care for my body, but in this one even I'm going to put something on my hands because this stuff does burn really, really fast. So we're going to ignite the magnesium, get our thermite going. And bye-bye Mini Cooper. Now, as I told you before, aluminum is actually the fuel for this reaction, and you see that we put our pieces in aluminum pans. As you can see, there's not a whole lot left to the aluminum that was in there. It actually became part of the fuel source. So, that is what you can do with thermite. This is what was left of the first car that we did. And if anyone wants to come up here, you may be able to actually see some of that molten iron right into the bottom of the that pot. And thank you for your time, and enjoy the rest of your evening. Can you see where the iron is?